Imagine coming home to a space that feels calm, uncluttered, and effortlessly stylish. In this section, we'll explore the concept of minimalist design for spring. Minimalism is all about keeping things simple and functional. It's about using only what you need and nothing more. Think clean lines, neutral colors like whites, grays, and earth tones, and a sense of spaciousness. In spring, minimalist decor can be particularly refreshing. It allows the beauty of the season to shine through without overwhelming your space. By embracing minimalism, you create a serene environment that promotes relaxation and clarity. This approach emphasizes quality over quantity, focusing on a few carefully selected pieces that make a strong impact. When decorating minimally for spring, consider furniture with sleek profiles and multifunctional pieces that serve a purpose without adding unnecessary bulk. The idea is to create a canvas that welcomes the light and energy of the season while maintaining an understated elegance. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into incorporating minimalist spring decor into your home. Now let's talk about how to infuse spring elements into your minimalist decor. Spring is all about renewal and growth, so incorporating natural elements is key. Consider adding touches of greenery with houseplants or fresh flowers. These elements bring life into your space and create a connection to nature, which is perfect for the spring season. In minimalist design, less is more. Choose a few carefully selected plants or floral arrangements to complement the clean lines of your furniture and decor. Opt for planters and vases with simple shapes and neutral colors to maintain a cohesive look. The goal is to achieve a balance between the simplicity of minimalism and the vibrancy of spring. Light textures such as linen or cotton can also evoke a sense of freshness and airiness. Think about incorporating these materials through cushions, throws, or curtains to enhance the spring ambience in your home. By integrating these elements thoughtfully, you can transform your space into a serene oasis that celebrates the essence of spring. In minimalist design, light plays a crucial role in defining the atmosphere of a space. During spring, capitalize on natural light to illuminate your home. Keep window treatments minimal to maximize sunlight. This not only brightens up your space but also promotes a sense of openness and positivity. Mirrors are another great tool for enhancing light and space in a minimalist setting. Strategically placing mirrors can create an illusion of depth and amplify natural light. Choose mirrors with simple frames or go for frameless designs to maintain the clean aesthetic of minimalism. For evening ambience, opt for soft, warm lighting with minimal fixtures that blend seamlessly into your decor. Floor lamps or pendant lights with understated designs can add a touch of elegance without overpowering the simplicity of your space. By playing with light and space, you can transform your minimalist interior into a